everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the second episode of my pumpkin series, I'm making a spicy Thai pasta with pumpkin. It's going to be completely vegetarian. You can even sub out a couple of ingredients, and it can be vegan. So if you guys love this pumpkin series, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna work on is the sauce that's gonna coat this pasta. So in front of me, I have a bowl that I'm gonna add soy sauce, and there's also mirin, which is a rice wine vinegar, and then also some fish sauce. So this is where if you don't want to use fish sauce, you can just use regular soy sauce. I've got, of course, pumpkin. That's gonna go in my sauce. Very interesting, but it'll taste delicious. I've also got a little bit of water to thin it out. A little bit of lime juice that I squeezed. A little bit of brown sugar. A little bit of hot sauce. I'm just using Fix hot sauce. And kind of eyeball it. And then in my bowl here, I've got salt, pepper, a little bit of dried basil is what this is in the corner, and then cornstarch to kind of thicken it up a little bit. All right, and then you just mix this all up. All right, that looks nice and mixed together. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that off to the side and work on our stir fry. So over here, I've got a pan that's been heating up. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it. And then add some garlic and ginger and this is red curry paste. And I'm just gonna mix that all up. All right, so now that this is nice and fragrant, I'm gonna add in my veggies. So I've got some zucchini that I've cut into little matchsticks. I've got carrots, and then this over here is broccoli slaw that I had in my fridge. This is a great dish to kind of clean out your fridge with. You can throw in whatever veggies you want. I had a bunch of extra veggies that I just threw in. All right, so it's been about 5-6 minutes. You can see the vegetables have really wilted down. And so now I'm gonna add in the sauce that we made. All right, and I'm gonna let this simmer before I add in the rest of the ingredients. Look at that, nice and thick. So at this point, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm gonna add in the peanut butter, which is gonna make it even more creamy. Yum. All right, mix that all up. And then you're almost done. All right, the peanut butter is all nice and mixed in. And now it's time to throw in your pasta. I already cooked up a bag of thin spaghetti. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that and give it a good mix. Look at that. All right, all of the noodles is covered with the sauce. This looks perfect. So now I've got a bowl over here. Just gonna take a little bit. That is a lot bit. Oh yes, look how creamy. Gonna let this cool and then I'll do a taste test. All right, I think this is nice and cooled down. Wow, that is so incredibly flavorful, and it's nice and spicy. Even though it's got the pumpkin and the peanut butter to kind of dull it out a little bit, that is really good. If you guys love kind of like that red spicy sauce, the Thai curry, the red curry, you're gonna love this. And the pumpkin just makes it nice and creamy without adding a lot of cream. So this is delicious. If you guys love pumpkin and everything about pumpkin in the fall season, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Oh, this is too big.